Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is your ultimate solution for easy, delicious meals. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker, it's also a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté, food warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake maker, all in one sleek design. Imagine clearing your countertops and streamlining your cooking with just one versatile device, perfect for any busy home chef looking for the best kitchen gadgets. Plus, its 15 customizable smart programs make cooking your favorite dishes incredibly simple, from poultry to soups, all at the touch of a button. No more guesswork, just set it and forget it, guaranteeing perfect results every time, even for beginners. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the durable food-grade stainless steel inner pot that's not only safe but also super easy to clean. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its thoughtful design for everyday convenience and its robust build quality, making it a reliable workhorse in any kitchen. If you're ready to transform your cooking experience and grab this fantastic deal, find the official Amazon link in the description below. This is truly a top contender for the best kitchen appliance of 2025, offering incredible value and functionality. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen. Click the link, read the reviews, and let me know what you cook first.